Hello everyone, and welcome to our latest renovation, a beautiful pre-war 2-bed, 2-bath co-op in Midtown East. For this apartment, we focused on elevating traditional design and architectural elements to stay true to the original apartment and our client's aesthetic. We distinguished the entryway with custom wainscoting panels and an indigo blue floral wall covering. We also designed a beautiful covered ceiling with recessed lighting. Moving into the redesigned kitchen, we stayed true to the sophisticated traditional look with white shaker upper cabinets and wood shaker lower cabinets. The luxury quartz countertop has bold blue veins, which pairs with our blue, white, and gray marble mosaic backsplash. The substantial gold hardware is an elegant touch. Our faucet also brings a unique and dramatic character to this kitchen. Lastly, we chose beautiful gold and glass light fixtures to complete the space. The living room continues the blue wall covering, and deep blue is highlighted throughout the space here. We painted the window frames and the fireplace bricks to match. To highlight the character of the apartment, we painted the ceiling beams a light gray with a satin finish. The floors got a refresh as well, buffing and refinishing them with a brighter stain. In the guest bath, we continued the traditional floral motif with our tile selections. The large formal floor and wall tile have a unique painted look damask pattern. The true beauty of this bathroom lies where our shower conversion took place. With blues and neutrals, it keeps in line with the apartment scheme and provides a very special element to this guest bath. The one-of-a-kind artisan hand-carved vanity and Madison cabinet complete the design along with the gold tone fixtures and accessories. In the primary bedroom, we stayed true to the client's favorite color, blue. The wall covering here is once again a flowered pattern with an artistic effect. Moving on to the primary bath, we opted for a large format porcelain marble tiles. We used a marble mosaic floor tile. Marble mosaic tiles are an excellent floor finish for your bathroom. They are durable, beautiful, and give us the opportunity to explore patterns and shapes. In the shower, we accented the marble tiles with these textures antique style tiles. This is the end of our tour. Thank you so much for watching. We have another one coming up in this very same building, so stay tuned. Start a new chapter with us.